Hi there. One AI platform that allows for input and then returns both research and results is Perplexity AI. Now, Perplexity does have a free account. You can also upgrade to paid accounts. The free account in Perplexity allows for unlimited basic searches. It also allows for 3 pro searches every day, and you can upload 3 files every day for analysis. It's stated that the Pro account gives you access to what it calls deep research. However, as of the recording of this video, if you hover near the deep research area, you can look for what is called advanced analysis on any topic using the research button. So we're going to place in our query. We are then going to click on the research process. Typically in Perplexity, the research process is not going to be an instantaneous process. And so you'll see here that Perplexity will tell you that deep research can take up to 30 minutes to thoroughly research, analyze, and reflect. You can set up a notification process for Perplexity to tell you when the process is complete. We are going to click on Notify, and we're going to allow Perplexity to notify us. We are then going to walk away from this process. We're going to return when it is complete. Once your search is complete, you have a few ways of being able to make the content available. Naturally, if you're using this for your own purposes, you will then be able to click this copy button to copy it to your favorite word processing software. You can also export your answer. If you click on this export button, you can export the answer to a PDF, to a Markdown file, to a Word or DocX file, or you can export it to its own Perplexity page, which will be on the Perplexity server. You can also click on the share link. You will then have a link to share with other individuals if you want them to see the research and to see it on the Perplexity website. If the answer isn't written the way you want, you can click on Rewrite and you can rewrite the content, and so that you know that what has been delivered to you is deep research. Perplexity will mark the answer as deep research. Here in this area, Perplexity delivers the answer to you in the form of videos as well as research. It also delivers the actual sources used in order to do deep research on a specific topic. There you have it, and I will see you in another video.